Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we are going to be learning how to invite someone to a Roblox game. Whether you want to play with a friend or share an experience, Roblox makes it easy to invite others, so here's how. First of all, open up the Roblox application and log into your account if necessary. Now go ahead and start the game you want to play. Tap on the game from the browse list and then you will see this pop-up. Click the three dots at the bottom left corner inside the pop-up box and then click on Invite Friends. Now from this page, you will be able to see your list of friends who you can invite to the game. Tap the invite button right next to your friend's name and then you will be able to send them the invite for the game that you are playing. But remember that you have friends in your friend list in order to share it with them. You can also directly invite other friends that are not in your friend list. Tap the three dots at the bottom left and look for the share button and then select a friend from your friend list. Choose an application from where you can send the invitation to your friend and select your friend you want to invite to the game. So that was how you can easily invite your friends to a Roblox game. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.